Okay, the market is recovering just about 8 or 10 points. It doesn't want to stay down. That much is clear looking at just the screen and what's going on. 17,065 is where we are trading at. Market breadth is 1,204 stocks lower and about 850 stocks which are higher right now. HCL Tech, of course, is a stock we've been focusing on from the pre-open session. The HCL Employee Trust has bought shares from the open market. I mean, it's a chunky transaction they've executed. Rima is joining in with details of what has been done and interesting comparison between HCL Tech and Wipro. Rima, over to you.
Thanks so much for that. So in a block deal which took place in the morning, HCL Technology has bought nearly 26 lakh shares in the company. Now, this has been bought by the company as a part of the ESOP trust. So this is not the promoters acquiring stake in HCL Technology. If you remember, in the month of October, HCL Technology has announced a compensation package which also includes ESOPs, which were to be given to 3,000 of their top managers in order to retain them. We all know the IT industry is struggling with attrition, and therefore, as a part of that, increased ESOPs were going to be allocated to 3,000 leaders. So perhaps the two are linked, which is why today the company has gone ahead and acquired shares for its ESOP trust in order to maintain the shareholding. Now, another point that we wanted to highlight is the fact that HCL Tech is actually trading at a discount to its closest peer, Wipro. Both HCL Tech and Wipro roughly are the same size. So both of them are about $10 billion in revenue terms on an annualized basis. Historically, they used to trade at the same valuation, but of late, Wipro is trading at a premium to HCL Technology by nearly 20%. And the reason is Wipro has outperformed HCL Technology. In the last 1 year, Wipro has gained close to about 82%, while HCL Technology's share price increase has been 36%. Consequently, Wipro trades at a 25 times valuation forward versus HCL Tech, which is at a 21 times forward valuation. So Wipro now trades at a premium to HCL Technology, and one of the reasons is because under the new CEO Thierry Delaporte, we've seen an increase in the company's growth rates vis-a-vis HCL Technology. Back to you.
Okay, that was HCL Tech. Already discussed that stock. By the way, the mystery stock of this month really has been MTNL. Even today, it's in a weak market, it's up 8%, and that makes it 84% gain this month. Just phenomenal the way the stock has moved over the last 1 month. Now trading at 33, of course. And Prakash, getting a bit nervous with this move, or is the market sensing something?
I'm sure, Anuj, the market probably knows better than us for paying such valuations to a business that's otherwise not been doing anything much. But I think it's part of this whole repair and restructuring that's kind of taking significant strides. And the government is probably very keen on achieving a lot of these milestones before 31st March is past us. So, so that pace would accelerate. Your waiting time is over, your risk is lower, and that's why a lot of these stories are doing rounds. But I hope it turns out good, because it is value creation at the end of the day if something good happens. But I'm not too sure whether I would be comfortable buying into something that I don't completely am able to fathom in terms of the attributes why it's going up so strongly.
All right. Prakash, thanks very much for that. So that's,